Ever wanted to create a greeting card that actually feels personal without needing any design skills? Today, I'll show you exactly how to make custom greeting cards in Canva. And by the end, you'll know how to create something print ready or shareable in just a few minutes. Start by opening Canva in your browser. At the top, there's a search bar. Type greeting card. Canva instantly pulls up thousands of templates for birthdays, holidays, thank yous, anniversaries, and more. Take a moment to scroll. The variety is huge, and choosing the right base makes the rest of the process way easier. Once a template catches your eye, click on it and select Customize this template. This opens the editor, and this is where the fun really starts. Click on any text area to swap in your own message. Maybe you're writing something heartfelt, maybe something funny, whatever the tone, make it your own. If you want to change the vibe, explore the font menu and try out different styles. You can also adjust colors to match the mood of the occasion. Bold, elegant, playful. Up to you. Don't be afraid to experiment with small details. You can move elements around, change backgrounds, add icons or photos, and mix fonts and colors until everything feels just right. Canva's drag and drop tools make it super intuitive, so no design background needed. When everything's in place, pause and give your card a quick review. Check spelling, make sure the layout looks clean, and confirm that your colors and message feel cohesive. Once you're happy with it, click download. From here, you can print it at home, send it to a print service, or deliver it digitally to someone instantly. And that's it. You've created a personalized greeting card from scratch using Canva. It's a simple process, but once you try it, you'll want to make cards for every occasion. If this helped you out, stick around for more easy design guides and creative shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.